What if I told you you can do more than just make video games with the Garry Game Maker for Commodore 64? Yeah! But before I get to that, welcome to my Charles studio! Yeah! This is where it's all made. Look at all these masks and props and everything. You know, basically, these masks and props are just like puppets. You make them do whatever you want to do. But what if we can do it virtually with AI? Especially using Garry Game Maker to make our puppets. Yeah! Let me show you how to do it. I have a friend that sent me a photo. He emailed it to me. I put it up on the screen right here. And I'm going to take a little plastic wrap. And I'm going to put it over the monitor. And I'm going to tape the bottom down too. Take me a permanent marker. Oops. Make it a dry erased one. You don't want to write on the screen. And trace it. Just like that. Why don't I put some eyes on them? Now it's time to load up Garry Kitchens. Put it online.
His body looks good so far, but let's go to zoom here. Gotta do the fingers, you know. By using the zoom function, you can do 1 pixel at a time. I like it to make any fine adjustments to my work. Oh yeah! And now for the other hand. See this area up here? That's a magnified view of your work area down below. Over here, you can change color 1, 2, or 3, which is light red. Let's go up to fill. Now view, let's go fill, light red. Whoa, yeah. Fill those PJs in. Now let's change the color to which is yellow. Go back up to fill and view it. No, I think I'm gonna make his hands yellow. And I'll make his face yellow too. Oops, I missed a spot on his hand. Now just to get his hair, I'm going to worry about his face later.
Now we're going to take the plastic down, but don't throw away, because we're still going to use it. See, there's no face on there. We're going to make the face out of sprites. So before we go any further, go file, we better save this. That's what I'm calling it, BBT, Baby Trent 1. There we go. Now we can make more modifications. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mount this a little sideways. I'm going to make that arm kind of line up. Go to zoom here. Now I'm going to go to box, fill, make that blue. There we go. Now fill. Zoom and fill.
Time to move the plastic.
Gonna do roughly the same with this side. I just gotta fix my screw-ups. There we go. Let's save it.
Now that our file's saved as a different name, let's open it to Sprite Maker. Meet you there.
Now that Sprite Maker's open, let's tape our picture up here. Alright, go to setup. We only need one color right now, so we'll go to single. We're going to have 2 sprites. Quit. Place the sprites so they cover the face. Now just trace them. Now change over here to Sprite 2. Go to File, Save, BBT, E for eyes. Now let's take our eyes and move them over to. Same for the other sprite. We're going to save it again. But this time, we're going to call it BBTI elf for left. Oh, wait. Or is that right? Save. Now let's move the eye to the other side. This time we're saving BBT L for left. All right, BBT. D for down. And finally, BBT U for up. One thing I forgot to tell you, before you save it, change it to black. Yeah. So, change those all to black. Let's go on. So now we're going to take this black and change it to white. And fill in the whites of these holes. Let's save these eyes. BBT W for the white of the eyes. Now let's clear this. So let's make a mouth. Set up. Let's make 2 sprites. One there. One there. File, let's save. BT MTH. Mouse. Let's make mouth open now. That will be my mouth open.
Now it's time for the coding part. Go over here. Let's pull this down. Find scene 1. Scene 1 is BBT1. Scene 2, BBT2. Sprite 1 is BBTE. Sprite 1 X position is 83. Sprite 1 Y position 97. Let's look at it. Ooh, the eyes lined up. Let's close this up. Now, we're just going to copy this. Now we're going to put the whites of the eye. So it's not Sprite 1 anymore. It is Sprite 3. Change this to Sprite 3. Let's look, see if the whites of the eyes are there. Now they're there. Now we need to add a mouth. Let's copy this again. Sprite 5 is, change this to Sprite 5. See if the mouth is there. It's there, but it's right in front of his nose. We can't have that happen. Well, let's make this to, let's say 116. There you go. Now we gotta make him talk and stuff. Let's get the joystick ready. If button 1 is on, Sprite 5, which was the mouth, is mouth O. We need an end if in there. Then we need to jump to label 1001. Let's see if it works. Well, what we need to do is copy this. Hello. Oh boy, it works. Ha 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 ha. Now we gotta make the eyes move. I'm gonna copy this end if down here. If joystick 1 is right, Sprite 1, which is the eyes, BBT R. We'll copy this. That way I only have to modify a little bit of it. If joystick 1 is left, let's see if the eyes work now. Ooh, what do you think of that? Now we gotta make the arms move. We're gonna copy this portion of our code again. But get rid of the sprite. Change this from left to up. Let's copy this code one more time. So watch this. Eyes left, eyes right. Mouth open. Arms up, arms down. Up, down, up, down.
Yeah, well. Hey, what are you doing in my... Get out of here!
Now stay tuned for
Thinks he's as cool as me. Where'd the lights go? Hey, don't tell me we're at the end of the video again! Oh man! I got so much other stuff to teach you! Like, how to... Where'd she come from? That's what I'm gonna tell you! How to put our Garry Kitchen stuff onto the real screen! Yeah! Computer animation! Yeah! Old school computer animation. Can't wait for the next video, though. Ooh, I'm gonna be working hard now on it. Yeah.